Hi, I'm Frederick Lang, an inventor of modular structures. I've created a new toy we will be launching on Kickstarter soon. I've invited some kids to help me show it to you. I never liked to color inside the lines. I wanted to go scribble all over, kind of work out of the box. So I came up with this idea. Don't open your eyes. You can close your hands around it. Feel what it is. Now what you're doing with your eyes closed and working with your hands, your mind is connected to your hands. Your brain is thinking about ideas. Now you can open your eyes and take a look at it. See how they fit together. That is Toad Square.
Toad Square. Toad Square.
That's what you're holding, is a magic building block that can work in many different ways. So that's kind of what's unique about it. Some of the greatest invention happens in the kitchen. You never really invent anything until you start putting something in your hand. And then somehow your mind connects with your hand, and your hand connects with your mind, and you start getting ideas and solve problems. Look at that. I love it. Can I look at it? That is cute.
Very nice, because then you can use your imagination.
Don't you want the teacher to tell you exactly what to do? Some of the greatest inventors in the world, they played with things. They never grew up.